What if the brain supplement being advertised as a breakthrough solution for memory, focus, and mental clarity is not exactly what it seems? BrainVex has been gaining attention online with bold claims that it can improve memory, sharpen concentration, eliminate brain fog, and even support people dealing with serious cognitive conditions such as Alzheimer's and dementia. The marketing presents it as a revolutionary discovery, often tied to a so-called secret recipe involving common ingredients and a simple daily routine. However, when you take a closer look, the picture becomes much less clear. One of the biggest concerns is that there appears to be no publicly available clinical research proving that BrainVex itself delivers the dramatic results shown in advertisements. While some ingredients found in nootropic supplements may have been studied individually, that does not automatically prove the finished product will provide the same benefits. Another issue is the use of promotional videos and endorsements that appear to feature well-known public figures and experts. Yet there is no verified evidence that these individuals have any connection to BrainVex. Many consumers have also raised concerns about exaggerated marketing. Phrases such as clinically proven and FDA approved, which can create an impression of scientific validation that is difficult to verify. The product is also sold through aggressive sales funnels that often include upsells, limited time offers, and recurring subscription options that buyers should review carefully before purchasing. Looking at customer experiences, the results seem mixed, with some users reporting little to no noticeable improvement despite following the recommended usage instructions. Overall, BrainVex may contain ingredients commonly found in brain health supplements, but the extraordinary promises made in its marketing should be approached with caution. As with any supplement, it is important to focus on verified evidence, realistic expectations, and transparent information rather than relying solely on promotional claims that may sound too good to be true.